Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this new CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. So this is for normal to dry skin, 16 ounce. This is what the package looks like. Back of the package. Apply it liberally as often as needed. Cool? Alright, so this is brand new. Let's see. Turn it. Let's see how many pumps it takes for it to come out. Alright, that's what the package looks like. Let me use some of this. Feels more liquidy. You know, not as creamy as the cream that I normally unbox on this channel, but trying to mix it up. Use a little bit of both at different times of the day, and yeah, this one feels good. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can buy this from, and let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the CeraVe moisturizing lotion versus the moisturizing cream. All right, hope you're all doing well. See you all for the next unboxing video. Later.